Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Google account in Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and look for your profile icon, usually a circle with your initial or picture, in the top right corner. Clicking this icon reveals a menu where you can easily switch between any Google accounts you've already signed into. If you need to add a new account, simply select Add Another Account from this menu and follow the sign-in prompts. Once you select a different Google account, Chrome will typically open a new browser window, with that specific profile now active. This is super handy because each Chrome profile keeps its own unique set of bookmarks, browsing history, and personalized settings completely separate. For those who like efficiency, you can even use keyboard shortcuts, like pressing Ctrl+Shift+M on Windows, to quickly bring up your profile options and switch accounts. For a more organized experience, consider creating entirely separate Chrome profiles. This is ideal if you use different Google accounts for work, personal life, or specific projects, as it keeps all associated data completely isolated. You can customize each profile with a unique name, a distinct photo, and even a different color scheme to easily tell them apart. Plus, you have the flexibility to manage syncing preferences individually for each profile, ensuring your data is organized just how you like it. If you ever run into trouble switching or signing into an account, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies first. This often resolves common issues. Also, always make sure your Chrome browser is updated to its latest version for the best performance and security. And speaking of things that last, check out the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They are known for their incredible durability and comfort, backed by a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.